Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to change a page custom template in WordPress in just a few minutes. This tutorial will walk you through the entire process, ensuring you can follow along with ease and update the template for your pages quickly and effectively. Begin by opening your favorite web browser and navigating to the WordPress homepage. The first action is to locate the login option, which you will find in the upper right corner of the site. Once you see the login button, click on it to proceed to your account access page. After clicking the login option, the next stage of the process involves selecting the method for logging in. Here, the system offers you the convenience of logging in via Google. Look for the button labeled Continue with Google and click on it. This step is especially useful because it streamlines the login process by eliminating the need to remember a separate username and password specifically for WordPress. Once you have chosen to continue with Google, you will be prompted to select the appropriate Google account. Take a moment to review the available accounts and choose the one you intend to use for managing your WordPress site. Selecting your account correctly will ensure that you have the necessary permissions to access and modify your posts and settings within WordPress. After successfully logging in with your Google account, the next part of the process takes you to your posts section. This is an essential part of managing your content, so click on the link that directs you to your posts. This page will display all the posts that you have created and allows you to manage them effectively. From the post page, look for the Quick Edit option. Clicking on Quick Edit provides you with a simplified interface for making changes to your posts without needing to dive into a full editing mode. It is designed to help you perform faster updates on aspects of your post settings. Within the Quick Edit settings, you will now see an option labeled Template. This is the section where you have the ability to change the custom template of your page. The template option is clearly marked so that you can easily identify where to make the necessary update. Once you have located the template area, it is time to choose the custom template you want your page to adopt. A menu will display a list of available templates. Take a close look at this list and select the template that best suits your design and functionality requirements. This choice will significantly affect the layout and appearance of your page, so make your selection with care. Finally, after choosing the appropriate custom template, conclude this process by clicking on the Update button. This final step saves your changes and applies the newly selected template to your page. Your WordPress page will now reflect the updated design, giving it a fresh and customized look that aligns with your vision. By following these clear and concise steps, you have successfully changed your page custom template in WordPress. Each action, from logging in with Google all the way through to clicking Update, ensures that your site maintains an adaptive and modern appearance. Continue exploring WordPress to discover more ways to enhance and manage your content efficiently. Enjoy the effortless process and take pride in the updated look of your page.